Mamaearth Shampoo. Mamaearth Onion Shampoo for hair growth. This is best organic onion shampoo. Welcome to our channel, Hair Zone Solution. Mamaearth Shampoo helps reduce hair loss and restores nutrients lost due to exposure to pollution and harmful chemicals. Onion oil and Redensol work synergistically to nourish the scalp and boost new hair growth and start regrowth hair. This is best organic onion shampoo. Stress, pollution and unhealthy lifestyle choices can lead to many hair troubles, hair fall being the most common one. Mamaearth Onion Shampoo helps you combat that. Onion oil, rich in sulfur, potassium and antioxidants, reduces hair fall and accelerates hair regrowth. Plant keratin replenishes and strengthens hair, repairing its natural structure. It makes hair smooth and frizz-free. Safe for colored and chemically treated hair, this shampoo is free of harmful chemicals and toxins such as sulfates, silicones, parabens, mineral oil and dyes. Mamaearth Onion Shampoo for hair growth comes with onion oil, plant keratin, and D-panthenol. Onion oil stimulates the scalp, promotes blood circulation, and promotes hair growth. Plant keratin, made up of 18 amino acids, it makes hair smooth, shiny and strong. D-panthenol, commonly known as vitamin B5, it moisturizes and smoothens hair. Onion oil reduces hair fall, provides nourishment and helps in growth of lost hair. Mamaearth Shampoo naturally formulated, and contain no parabens, sulfates, mineral oil, or dyes. Infused with plant keratin, the shampoo gently cleanses hair and makes it strong and smooth. Mamaearth Onion Hair Shampoo is enriched with the goodness of onion seed oil and plant keratin. All Mamaearth products go through strict testing to ensure they are absolutely safe for use. Mamaearth products are completely free of harmful chemicals that may cause allergies or irritation. This is best organic onion shampoo. Loaded with plant keratin, the shampoo gently cleanses hair and prevents damage caused due to washing. Mamaearth Shampoo made from all natural ingredients, the shampoo does not do any harm and is suitable for all hair types. It is safe for colored or chemically treated hair. Mamaearth Onion Shampoo for hair growth is completely free of sulfates, silicones, parabens, mineral oil and dyes. This is best organic onion shampoo. You will get the product link in the description box. To buy this product, just click on the link given below. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel, Hair Zone Solution.